Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find all of the gems in the new treasure hunt on Draws to Impress. The first one you get by turning on all of the lanterns. I'll probably turn it on later. You're just going to press on it. Oh, I think I turned it on already. I'm not sure why it's not like turning on. But the first one here, you can get it over here. It's like near the plant here. The third one, you can go to the back of the house and you'll be able to see this. Get the hammer, go in the house, go upstairs to this room. Oh, sorry, to the room on the right. And then you're going to break the piggy bank. Okay, a lot of times I guess. Grab that coin. Go down to the greenhouse. And put the coin in the fountain. And as you can see, you get a gem from that. The fourth gem, you will need to get this book. Then you're going to go to the school. Over here, I think. Wait, I don't remember where you're supposed to return it. Hold on. Oh, here. Place book. A gem has been revealed. It's kind of out here. For the fifth one, you'll need to go to the runway and you'll need to turn all of the lights red. How do I do that? Oh, here. So turn on all of the lights red. And a gem has been revealed. Then you are going to make sure you've turned on all the lanterns. I have done that already. So go to the cave and open the door by pressing E. If that doesn't work, maybe you haven't turned on your lanterns. Now you're going to do a little bit of an obby, I guess. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, up here. Press claim, and you've unlocked this super cute doll. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.